Welcome to video number 6 of Kansas DOT's Mastering Open Roads Designer Survey Data Import topic. In video number 5, we looked at the graphical representation of the survey data that we imported. We looked at some of the tools that affect the display with temporary graphics. In video number 6, we're going to take a look at that imported data in a different way. We're going to look at it in Explorer. So back in Open Site Designer, you can see I have the Explorer view open, and I've expanded the Survey tab. And if we expand down Survey Data, we can see the contents of this model view, or this model, my field book listing, and within my field book that I set up for the project, you can see the different data files that were imported. Each data file has a listing of the points that were associated with it and the linear features that were associated with it. This isn't a true full point list. This is the list of the feature definitions that were utilized by the points that were imported from this file. The same is true for all the points in the DGN file. So we have individual data import lists, and then we have an all point list and an all linear feature list. And again, these are a list of the feature definitions that are being utilized by the survey data in the DGN file. Now I can see in the all point features list, something is a little bit off. I have a code there, a feature definition there called 8E and another one called 24. I'm not familiar with those. The feature definitions should match the codes that were used for field collection, and we don't have an 8E or a 24. So something is not right. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on. So I'm going to select 8E, and the way to look at the content of the list of all the features that are using that feature definition is through the details dialog. So I'll select that up here, and if you're not seeing that on your screen, where you want to be is in the survey workspace, the Analyze ribbon. You'll see the details button on the primary panel on the far left. In this case, it looks like there's only one point using a code of 8E, and the point name is 1224. And if we take a look at the model, you can see this purple hazy ball over here in the northeast quadrant of the intersection. That is the indicator of the object that I selected in the details dialog. So I know the point is going to be located here, and just close the details for now. There's 1224 with a field code of 8E. That's an odd name too. I wouldn't expect that in the file. Let's take a look at 24. So we'll select that feature, look at the details. It's in the same exact spot. It's a 1224 under bar 1. Something definitely funny is going on. Let's see if we can figure out what exactly is going on. So if I look at the attributes associated with that point, I can see it was imported from this CSV file. We can verify that in Explorer by just expanding the point features. We can see those feature definitions came from this file. So let's open that CSV file and see if we can figure out what's going on. I'm in the CSV file here, and looking at that point TM1224, I can see the problem here right away. It was just a misentry during field collection. It looks to me like this point was supposed to have a tree feature code and then comment afterwards. And so what's missing is this / character. That would have been the correct way to enter that point. So let's save this file. And then we'll re-import it. That concludes video number 6. Please continue on to video number 7, where you'll see we'll fix the problem in the DGN file by re-importing the CSV edits that we just made.